we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French cooking terms too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning, because yes, this is a French word literally meaning little steak. It is generally used to designate a French vegetable cut, because you cut the vegetables into little sticks. So how do you say it? For reference, in France, in French, it is said as bâtonnet, bâtonnet. The T at the end is silent. In English, this is generally said as bâtonnet, or in American English, bâtonnet. Bâtonnet in American English, bâtonnet. In British English, all of which is from French, bâtonnet, bâtonnet. And now you know it all, don't you? Let me know in the comments and make sure to hit the like button if you found this useful. Thank you for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from French, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.